Okay, it's Wednesday, 10 minutes before noon Eastern Time, October 20th, and just wanted to do a real quick midday update on the S&P chart. And this video is being brought to you by freechartvideos.com, using time-honored techniques to understand modern markets. By the way, I've got a new domain, sp500chart.com. It's going to take you right to the S&P 500 chart section. It's just a domain pointer right now. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to be any form of investment advice. You have to make your own conclusions. Don't trust my charts. I'm not a licensed professional. Let's look at the action as it is just before noon Eastern Time. Okay, this is an hourly chart. For those of you who have followed some of the S&P charts that I've been posting over the past, about a week and a half since I've started making these available, you'll know that I had changed this bottom channel line because we had that action yesterday that really came down hard, but then it stopped abruptly, and I thought, now why did that stop there and not just keep on going? So I took another look at the chart, and what I did was the line that I did have from here to there, I changed that to this new line that makes more sense in more than one way. If the only thing that had been different would have been that it intersected this point, I don't think that I would have gone with that. But I saw that there was also a little bit stronger correlation just with the overall channel, with this being the top and this being the bottom. Of course, if this thesis or this idea was right, when I published this chart at the end of closing yesterday, we would find out this morning to see if we got a bounce or if we just kept going down. Clearly, we've gotten a very strong bounce off this bottom line. We're currently up almost 1179, and it looks like this is a very strong market, and these now should be the channel lines that I stick with from this point forward. You'll see that there's an orange line right here as well. A very astute follower got in touch with me and said that he thought that this line was also back tested. This line, if we were to back out on the chart, I'm not going to do it for the sake of time. If we back out on the chart and look at the very top of the bull market in October 2007, start this line there, and then draw it over the top of the April 2010 highs, that's this line. And you'll see that it was broken out of, came back tested strongly, and now appears to be serving, as it should, as support. So anyway, this is the S&P 500, just a mid-morning update. Let's see what the rest of the day holds. I don't think we're going to climb back over the top of this green line. I really don't. I think it's going to look a lot like what it looked right here, with a break, and then maybe trying to do it, but then getting turned back and going sideways. So I'm seeing the market really kind of maybe just kind of consolidating around the 1180 high 1170s, possibly low 1180s for the next week and a half or so. But who knows? You know, it's not an absolute for sure thing. This is looking awfully strong this morning now, and I think these are the lines we need to stick with. Take care. Thanks for watching. And when you get a chance, go check out freechartvideos.com. Thanks.